we are taking out many of the plastics and the trims. Box. Come on. What? So busy. Tricky. Doesn't want to cooperate with me. Oop. Roll the boat gently down the stream. That's a very, very nasty boat to undo. The last one of its kind. So, what is holding me back? Massive coupler. Yep. And surprise, we have lots of oil on this one. Something that would explain the code that we are getting for this. What I'm believing that will happen when I take this thing apart, it will be full of diesel. This one seems to be completely stuck now. But it is stuck. Shouldn't be. Something strange is doesn't have any resistance. Oh no, it is not a Torx. It's something else. Eureka! It's a TS20. Let's see if it has diesel everywhere. We need to cut these tabs. Yes, this was the tool. No. So everything inside is full of diesel. Now let's understand what is happening. Look at this. So the mechanism, the wheel, is damaged, and we can see part of it over here. Also, based on the operation, it chewed a little bit from that side. We progressed a fair bit. I didn't show all of the steps, but now we are fitting the throttle body to replace the one that was broken, and we are getting closer to starting the engine. Let's think a little bit outside of the box and try to tighten it up from underneath the vehicle, because from the top you really do not have enough space. Like magic is in the air. This new plastic construction for the throttle body is something really interesting. Can easily be snapped if you tighten it too much. And for the connector is the same story. You want to connect it from underneath the car, because from the top it's a pain in the ass. I really question how I was able to undo it. couplers and harnesses made by the devil himself. Don't forget about grease on the lower bolts for the underframe. If you use it, these bolts will live forever. Little bit of grease never hurt nobody. Little bit of grease never hurt nobody. Hurt nobody. Immediately after the first restart is good practice not to rev the engine, because many of the things are not calibrated just yet. Maybe you forgot something in the engine bay, or maybe something isn't as it should. So starting to do the instinctual thing of revving the engine is not really a good idea. We will do again a scan to see if the vehicle has noticed something.